VC into the picture, what do they bring to the table at that point?
Money.
That is at that.
Yeah, obviously.
Huh.
But today's day and age, money is not a problem.
Hmm.
I think everyone has excess cash to be deployed.
Hmm.
So I think what we possibly would be heading is, how does founder select who they want to interact with, right?
Okay.
So if I am a VC A versus VC B, who should I select versus an angel? आज के दिन HNI के पास भी 5-7 CR of money to be invested in a private company. I think it's easy to find that. But why will a founder not select an HNI versus go to a VC? Because VCs are partners in this. Like, again, the ones I work with, I'm on a cap table where there are many other VC players. So they don't just invest money, they'll sit with you on a monthly basis, understanding your strategy, what are your pain points, how can we help you in terms of hiring, connecting you to competitors, connecting you to other players in the market, and then also help you raise further funds.
Understood.
So let's say, for example, Bloom's Ventures, one of the bigger VC players in India, what they would do is they will help the founders meet bigger players, let's say sovereign wealth funds in Abu Dhabi called Adia or Mubadala, right? Introduction karenge, they can go in and raise the bigger rounds from there. So there is so much more partnership that gets established rather than just money, right? Money is just one part of it, right? We need direction, we need help. Hiring is the biggest issue. People. Many VC players have their internal team who actually help each founder company hire the right talent, right?
Makes sense.
Even for me, when I get in, I help them in hiring, right? So if they have a requirement of hiring a CFO, hiring the sales team, you build your own network and you help them expand the team. That's what you get onto the table. It's not only money. Yeah.
So you basically come on as a equal stakeholder for the risk and you help build the company.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.